hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing obviously this Christmas Grinch makeup for y'all. Again, I really do love special effects, so this is a really exciting video for me. Also, very exciting news is that we are going to be somewhere in this video announcing the winner of this week's giveaway, which is a brand new Blood Money palette by Jeffree Star. This thing is so amazing. I use it throughout this tutorial and the product performance is just, it's out of this world, guys. So I'm really excited for our winner. But if you're not this week's winner, don't worry because we're gonna be doing a lot more holiday giveaways so you can enter to win in those. Without further ado, guys, give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and let's hop right in. So I'm starting off with the most important step, and that is my skin prep. I'm using POREfessional's. Now I'm just blocking out half my brow. You can do your whole brow if you want, but I just wanted to do half on mine. I'm just letting that glue dry for a hot second before I put on concealer, just because it's taking a little bit longer to dry than I thought. So I'm gonna go right in with my Mehron face paint now. I'm just creating a lighter green area around my mouth and nose, and then I'm using a darker face paint to go around the rest of my face. That glue has dried down, guys, so I'm just adding a little bit of concealer on my brows. And continuing on with my green now, guys, this is going to be the most time-consuming step of this look just because of blending. And you guys can go back and forth with a sponge and a brush to really get that nice seamless blend. Only using leftover product, guys. I'm going to be adding some lighter areas to my forehead and where my wrinkles are, just for a little bit of extra dimension underneath those wrinkles. Now taking my Jeffree Star Cremated palette, I'm just going to be creating my eyebrows. I'm going to be using these shades over here and just a fine tip angled brush and creating kind of like just a whoosh kind of eyebrow. You guys will see what I mean. Very Grinch-like. Using the smallest amount of concealer on my eyes because I don't want to go too far into that green, but I do need something to hold down my shadow. Eyes are going to be super easy. We're just kind of blacking them out almost, but very lightly. And I'm using my Blood Money palette to create nice sunken in hooded eyes. The Grinch has really like sunk in eyes and they're very, very hooded. So I wanted to try to recreate that. Now creating the base for my nose, guys, I'm just going in with my Blood Money palette and my finger, and then I'm also using an angled brush and I'm just kind of darkening that up, but you can use your finger at first to get that general kind of shape. For our wrinkles, you guys, so I'm taking an angled brush and the darkest shade in my Blood Money palette, and I am just going kind of where my natural wrinkles would be. So I'm creasing my face. You guys can see I'm making all these expressions. I definitely recommend doing this. It is going to be looking like the best possible wrinkles. And I'm gonna be kind of just smoking those out a little bit because we're gonna go over them and define them even more, but I want kind of like an underlining shadow to them, if that is making sense. So first step is to go in with the angled brush, and you'll see I'm going in with a different pencil brush and I'm just kind of blending those out a tiny little bit, and I'm gonna redefine later. So for my lips, I just cleaned them and I ended up changing my lip color from this MAC lipstick to Bonnie by Huda Beauty, so don't worry. Using my Urban Decay liner, I'm just going in my waterline. I'm just going in with a white liner on my nose to give it kind of a wet effect. Okay, you guys, so I'm so excited to be wrapping up our first ever giveaway. Today we are going to be giving this Blood Money by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Of course, I'm so excited for it. I created this look with it. I'm using it in my Grinch tutorial, and I have another video that I will link up above for y'all. So I want to say first and foremost, thank you so much to everybody who entered. I was so shocked with the positive reaction that I got to this giveaway. It makes me so happy and excited to see that there are so many people who are excited about makeup just like I am. So that really means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner though, but that doesn't mean there won't be plenty more opportunities to win a giveaway on this channel, because I've decided to make it kind of like a permanent part of my channel. We're going to be doing so many more during this holiday season and then continuing permanently throughout my channel. And for those future giveaways, I did not apply this rule to this giveaway because I thought that that would be a little bit unfair if I just kind of threw that in there, because I didn't put it in the rules first and foremost when I posted it. But for future references, we're going to be doing one entry per comment that you guys do. So 1 will be 1, and then 2 will be 2, 10 will be 10. You guys can do as many entries as you want for future giveaways. This time, I just have this clear bowl here, and everybody's name is in here just one time, and I'm literally going to be just mixing around and pulling out a name. Oh, it's Lacey! Oh, I'm so excited for her! Okay, so Lacey is Miss Collegiate Rhode Island, actually, and I'm so excited. I remember when she competed in Miss Rhode Island Teen USA when I was giving my crown up. Oh my god, I'm so excited for her, guys. Okay, so Lacey, I'm going to be contacting you, and we're going to be getting your information to ship you your brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. Again, I am just so excited for you, and I'm so thankful to everybody who entered, really. Don't be bummed, though, if you did not win. If you're not Lacey, do not be bummed, because we are going to be having so many more giveaways and so many more opportunities to win. So with that being said, guys, we can hop right back into our Grinch tutorial. Thank you guys again so much. I'm so thankful for you and all of your support and excitement. Using my black Mehron liner, I am just going in and creating kind of his little whiskers and his pores. I'm adding some to my mouth. I'm going to be redefining those lines also very slightly with the Mehron face paint, and I'm going to be adding some dots to his nose as well, just to make it look a tiny little bit more realistic. Now going in on my hairline, I'm taking this dark shade from my Blood Money palette and I'm just stamping that all along my hairline, and I'm kind of adding a lot to my forehead area because the Grinch does have like a very small forehead, and again I'm just redefining those lines one more time to make sure everything is how I want it to be. Okay, you guys, so I did brighten up my lip a little bit, and I just went over some of my wrinkles to add a little bit more detail. Threw on some contacts, some lashes, obviously a Christmas hat, and here's the final look. I really do enjoy doing these types of looks for you guys. This is some of my favorite makeup ever. Just special effects makeup in general is so much fun for me to do. Congratulations to our winner of this week's giveaway, which included the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. If you did not win, like I said in the intro, don't even worry about it because we are going to be having so many more giveaways this holiday season that I am so excited to share with you guys. We'll be announcing also in next week's video. So without further ado, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!